What's up, family? I hope y'all doing good out there. I'm hanging in. It's about 80 degrees. Can't be mad at that. So today I will be sharing the second edition of my Mediterranean diet series. Today's recipe is spaghetti with heirloom cherry tomatoes. Check out that. Red, orange, and yellow. Beautiful little cherry tomatoes. Today's recipe is a little dairy heavy, so make sure you take it easy on the mozzarella cheese. And then also, I'm using thin spaghetti just because I like it better, but I do have whole wheat pasta. If you're dieting, stick with the whole wheat pasta. I had to get two because my kids do not rock with that. So I got another brand, which is just a regular pasta. So I think this is going to be a really quick, easy recipe. If you got any questions or comments about it, please leave them down below. Now let's get into it. So my pots are boiling here. Got some salt. Gonna salt this down so our pasta is nice and flavorful. Some people like to put a drop of oil in the water. I don't. To me, it doesn't make too much of a difference, but I will be adding a little oil after it cooks. So we're gonna pound the pasta here. So I'm about to use about half of this and the other half in the other pot, since I got finicky kids. So as far as this goes, you're just gonna follow the directions on the back of the box. We want it al dente, so I think that's about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, we have our pasta. I did rinse this in a little cold water just to stop the cooking. But as you can see, here's the whole wheat here. Here's the regular pasta, it's al dente. So from here on out, it's gonna go fairly quickly. I have 6 tablespoons of olive oil here. So, gonna put my pan on medium heat. Just let that get hot there. I have 5 cloves of garlic, and I shave these really thin. If you don't have nothing else to shave it with, use a knife, but I use like a potato peeler or carrot peeler, whatever you want to call it. And then I have our pasta. I'm gonna spare y'all ears and not scrape the bottom of the pan here. I'm just gonna mix that all together. Already looking pretty nice. We're gonna add some basil leaves. And I have my heat off at this point. I don't want to cook it any further. I just want the heat to kind of welt the leaves, the basil a little bit. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So now, and guys, you don't have to use my measurements. You can salt and pepper it, you know, to your taste. I have my little mozzarella shreds here. Just gonna throw a couple on there, here and there. All right. Toss this again. Can y'all believe how easy this was? That's what I'm talking about. So guys, just finished mixing that, and then I'll give you guys a close-up of this awesomeness. That basil is like packed. Let me put back here.
That smells so good.
And smell good.
What to make this time?
Spaghetti with heirloom cherry tomatoes.
I'm about to
He
take
don't
off.
like. Wait a minute.
I'm about to take it off.
Anyway, y'all got any questions or comments about the recipe, leave them down below. I'll make sure I'll take a look at them. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.
How about mom get to 1,000 subscribers?
Get all that. This is Ashton.
If you guys haven't seen me before,
Yeah.
I'm Ashton.
He
James
always
Hawkins.
popping up.
You
Yeah.
guys can call me AJ.
Yeah. I call him Ash, bro. Anyway, peace.
Peace.